It's Friday of the May 24th weekend, and I thought it'd be a great idea to go out and look for some birds. The weather is just right, the sun's coming in and out. It's mostly overcast today, but that's all right. I've seen a few birds so far. I'm just following along the Grand River today, along the Walter Bean Trail, and I've seen a few other birders out there, binoculars and such, so I'll walk across and see what I find. It's been a great turnout of species so far. I think I've seen 7 or 8 different species of birds so far in the course of an hour. Give or take, I haven't been keeping exact count. I'm going to go to a different area that's running right across the Grand River and run across there and see what I find in that new spot. Great turnout for the day. I saw 15 to 20 species of birds, no more than 20. I'll double check all the footage once I get home. And a really great variety too, from different songbirds to wading birds. I didn't see any shoreline birds across the Grand River, but I was really hoping to see a belted kingfisher, but no luck this time. But we'll see what happens on the next trip out. Maybe I might just get lucky.